Good morning. Exercise 4.3. Question number 2. Give the equation of two lines passing through 214. How many more such lines are there and why? Give equation which satisfy this point or this point satisfy this equation. We gave two equations. Such 214 is solution of this equation. First here x coordinate is 2 and y coordinate is 14. Therefore we get first equation x 2 plus 14 is equals to 16. Therefore we get a equation passing through 214 is, which is equation our x plus y is equals to 16. Here I write first one. 2 plus 14 is equals to 16. Second equation. 2 is equals to 2 and 14. X coordinate is equals to 2 and y coordinate is equals to 14. X is equals to 2 and y is equals to 14. How we make them equal? Then we multiply here 2 7 is equals to 14. We write like this. 7 2 or we write here 7 2 14. Therefore here write 7x is equals to 1. We prepare this equation. 7x minus y equals to 0. Our second equation. We make you do that this method 7 2 14. Therefore 7 2 14. 7x is equals to y. 7x minus y is equals to 0. Our second equation here. Give the equation of two lines passing through 214. Both lines passing through 214. Put here x is equals to 2, y is equals to 14. 2 plus 14 is equals to 16. Or here x is equals to 2, y is equals to 14. 7 2 14 minus 14 we get 0. Satisfy both equations. We want two equations, but a point, a line passing through. A point passing through a number of infinite many lines passing through a point. Now suppose here this is a point. The point is 214. Then how many lines pass through this point? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Infinite line pass through it. Therefore, here we write how many more such lines? Infinite such lines. There are infinite such lines passing through 214. Or there are infinite many lines passing through 214. Okay. Why? Then you give reason here. Because there are infinite lines passing through one point. You write reason. There are infinite lines passing through only one point. There are passing through infinite many lines passing through one point. Here this is 1 point, 2, 14. Therefore, infinite many lines passing through this point. Question number 3. If the point 3, 4 lies on the graph of the equation 3y is equal to ax plus 7, find the value of a. In exercise 4.2 we did these types of question. Find the value of a, then I take extra sum. Find the value of a. Here find the value of a. Which point is or lies on 3, 4 lies on the line. 3, 4 is a solution of this type, this line. 2 variable line equation. Therefore, 3, 4 lies on the graph of the equation. Here our equation is 3y is equal to ax plus 7. Point 3, 4 lies on this equation. Therefore, our equation 3y is equal to ax plus 7. Which point lies on 3, 4? Therefore, x is equal to x coordinate is 3 and y coordinate is 4. Here, y coordinate is 4. Therefore, y is equal to 4. X is equal to 3 plus 7. We put in x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4 in this equation. Which point lies on the graph of this equation? Therefore, it is satisfied. It is a solution of this equation. Solution of this equation. 3 4s are 12 is equal to 3a plus 7. 12 minus 7 is equal to 3a. 12 minus 7 is equal to 5. 5 is equal to 3a. 5 upon 3 is equal to a. Therefore, a is equal to 5 upon 3. What is the value of a? A is equal to 5 upon 3. Question again. If the point 3, 4 lies on the graph of the equation 3y is equal to ax plus 7, find the value of a. What is our equation? 3y is equal to ax plus 7. Taking x is equal to 3, y is equal to 4. 3 into 4 is equal to a into 3 plus 7. 12 is equal to 3a plus 7. 12 minus 7 is equal to 3a. 5 is equal to 3a. 5 upon 3 is equal to a. Therefore, a is equal to 5 upon 3. Number 2, 4 give 2 equation. Therefore, we clear. X is equal to 2, y is equal to 14, x plus y is equal to 2 plus 14, therefore 16. First equation we make x plus y is equal to 16. What is the relation between x and y? X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 7. Y is 7 times the x, number x. Therefore, y is equal to 7 into x, or 7x is equal to y. Here we write 14 is equal to 2 into 7. 7 into 2. Therefore, y, here 14 is a y coordinate. Therefore, y is equal to 7x. 7x minus y is equal to 0, which satisfy this line and 2 point. And how many lines pass through? Here we write 2. We want only 2 equations. How many lines passing through? Infinite line passing through this point, because 1 point there are infinite many lines passing through the point, any one. Okay? Exercise 4.3, question number 4. The taxi fare in city. Here is word problem. Is as follows. For the first kilometer, the fare is Rs. And for the subsequent distance, it is Rs5 per kilometer. Here, taxi fare for first kilometer is equal to Rs8 compulsory, and then subsequent 1.5, 1.6 or 2, then Rs5 for rupees. Subsequent distance, it is Rs5 per kilometer. Taking the distance for first kilometer, there is no fare. It is not taking 5 rupees. For first kilometer, taking 8 rupees. Then second kilometer, taking 8 plus 5, 13 rupees. Third kilometer, 8 plus 5 plus 5. Therefore, taking 80 rupees. Taking the distance covered as x kilometer, we have given hint. Taking the distance covered as x kilometer and total fare as Rs1. Write a linear equation for this information and draw in graph. First we make equation, linear equation, then prepare its graph table, solution table, and then draw a graph. Here, what is given? The distance covered as x kilometer. Therefore, total distance is equal to x kilometer. Total fare is equal to y. The first kilometer fare, fare of first kilometer or fare for first kilometer is equal to 8 rupees. Fare for subsequent is CQ distance is equal to, first we find subsequent distance is equal to, here first kilometer is 1, therefore subsequent distance is equal to x minus 1. Subsequent distance is equal to x. Fare for subsequent distance is equal to 8. Say fare for subsequent distance is equal to 5 rupees. Here 5 rupees, 5 into x minus 1. Okay, we have given this information. Total distance x kilometer, total fare y rupees. First kilometer fare is equal to 8 rupees. Subsequent distance is equal to, what is it? Here first kilometer is compulsory, subsequent distance is x minus 1 and fair for subsequent distance is equal to 5 into x minus 1. Total fair. Total fair is equal to y. Y is equal to, for first kilometer, here y is equal to 8 plus subsequent distance 5 for fair, 5 into x minus 5. Y is equal to 8 plus 5 into x minus 1. We simplify this equation. Y is equal to 8 plus 5x minus 5. Therefore, y is equal to 5x. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Y is equal to, which is our linear equation. Y is equal to 5x plus 3. Okay, total fair is equal to y. For first kilometer, we have given here 5 rupees is equal to given 8 rupees for first kilometer and 5 rupees for second kilometer. 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1, 5 ones are 5. Therefore, we have given here 13 rupees. Now calculate y is equal to for second 2 kilometer. 5 to 10 plus 3, 30. For third kilometer, 3 kilometer, 5 is 15 plus 3, 18. Here y is equal to 8 plus 3 minus 1, 2. 5 is 10, 8 plus 10 is equal to 18. Y is equal to 5x plus. Now prepare table. X and y. Solution of this equation, we prepare solution table. Taking x is equal to 0. 5 into 0, 0 plus 3. Then answer. X is equal to 1. 5 ones are 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. X is equal to 2. 5 is 10 plus 3. 30. X is a distance. Distance is not in negative. Then we take here x is equal to 3. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 3, 8. Draw the graph of this equation. I drew this graph. Here we have not need negative point. Therefore, I write here like this. X, x dish, y. We are taking point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1. Take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 18 in graph mode. I have no space. Here I write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and so. Here minus 1, minus 2. Draw the graph of this equation. this table, 0, 3. 3 is on y-axis and x is equal to 0 on 0. Therefore, 0, 3 is here. This is 0, 3, this point. Now 1, 8. 1 and 8. It is here. 2 to 30. 2 to 30. Suppose 3 to 18 is on this. But here, then we draw this graph by pencil and using pencil. Use pencil in this graph paper. Here you draw. This point is here, 0 and then 0, 2. Draw the graph. Okay? I write here again. I have no issue, therefore I will write here randomly 3, 0, 1, 8, 2, 13. Then our graph is in a straight line. 230 is here, suppose, and draw straight line from this point 0, 3, and this is our straight line 2, 8, 3, 30. This is our point, and it is draw for 0. Okay, which is our equation? Y is equal to 5 plus 3. You take on x-axis 2 cm is equal to 1 degree. Here I take on both axes 1 cm is equal to 1 degree. X on x-axis. What is it is denoted? It is denoted distance in kilometer. X axis distance in kilometer. And what is y-axis? What is denoted y-axis? Y-axis denote fare into pace. Fare in rupees. Fare in rupees. Okay. Here distance suppose 2 kilometer, then fare is equal to 8 rupees. Distance is 0 kilometer, then 3. 0 is that is not given. Here this for 1 kilometer it is given 8 rupees. For 2 kilometer it is given 30 rupees. Not it is valid. 0 for 3 is not valid. We not given 3 rupees only here. Here we gave for first kilometer we gave 8 rupees. For second kilometer we gave 2 kilometers we gave 30 rupees. For 3 kilometers we gave him 80 rupees. Okay? Therefore it is drawn y is equal to 5